Hi there, welcome to my channel. For those who haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe. My car is not broken down, but the belt is starting to squeal and I'm hearing what I think is a bearing noise. So I hope it's not the water pump or the AC bearing on the pulley, right? That AC unit's only 3 or 4 years old and only runs in the summertime once in a while. So I doubt that's it. So I purchased a complete kit. You get the idler pulley, and you get the belt. I think I paid like 70 bucks, but for this piece and that's not too bad actually. And it's a steel pulley, it's not plastic, right? So that's a good thing. So let's open up the hood and take a look. Okay, I'm going to get a light. And sorry, I'm going for a little walk here. So there it is. You can see it there on the alternator. And right beneath the alternator is the water pump. And then there's the AC right below that. Okay, that little canister there, well, just to the left of it, that's the AC. And the only way to get, and the tensioner is right there on top of the alternator in the back there, right there. Okay, so I have to actually take off the wheel. Whoops. Take off the wheel and take off the fender lining, and I have to go through there to get to the bolt to loosen up that tensioner, right? And I have to take off the engine mount on top here, loosen up those bolts to give it a little bit of slack so I can get at it. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now and take off the wheel and start on that. Okay, so I'm gonna crack the wheels. Real nice. Damage on the suspension, guys. Gotta carry the weight of the car. The wiggle test. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. Alright. So now, gotta off some clips and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So right behind this plastic cover here, okay, I gotta remove that, and the bolt is right behind there. That's how I get to the belt. Okay, I may not be able to show you on camera as I'm doing it, but I'll try to get you a picture. And this is what I'm looking at. And you can see the pulley right there. So I have to lift that up until it can reach the bolt. The bolt is just going to be, whoops, right on top of my finger here. So I'm going to go in there with an extension and I'm going to take a look and see if I got a water pump leak or something. Doesn't seem to be. And that's my AC clutch. Okay, now a little more fiddling around. I gotta lift this engine up a bit. I gotta loosen off these mounts to do it. It's like 14 here. 13. I got 13. 3/8. Even extensions and smashing everything. So this is just a brace that holds the engine mount, right? Now, let's remove or loosen off. We need a longer extension. And I have another piece here. Oh no. I have a feeling they're on there pretty good. I may have used the impact on it last time. Not new neither. So I gotta lift here and get my wrench onto it. There. There, get my wrench onto it. Bad news. I'm gonna run it till it breaks. But bad news. See this right here? That is my AC right here. Well, take a listen. I don't know how much more mileage I can get on that. Now the water pump seems fine. Wow. That's going to be a pain. That's another. That's $450 or $500, and if you get it from the dealer, it's 800 and something. All right. Well, let's get that belt off and. So now I gotta get me a Torx. Is that a Torx? I can't tell. Is that a Torx? Well, I'm gonna try it anyways. Get me a Torx and get me. Well, this bearing is definitely loose. This is the old one. I'm more worried about the water pump and stuff, right? The water pump and this one. My water pump's right there. Right? And this one. So I'm going to turn it over. Hopefully there's no tools in there. And see if it quieted down a little bit. Fingers crossed. No tools, no bolts gonna fall in there, no. Can't see anything. It's a lot quieter. There, you can see it spinning. For those who haven't already, hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.